Hi, in front of me I have ALLVIEW X4 Soul Style, and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First, open the quick panel, and to do it, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen. Here let's tap on the edit icon. And we have a screen recorder icon right here. We need to press and hold on it and drag it to the list above, right here. Then go back, open the quick panel again, and swipe left to go to the next page. And here we have screen recorder icon. Tap on it. This menu will appear. Here you can turn on and off the microphone, for example. You can also turn on and off the whenever you touch the screen, you will see this pointer under your finger, and you can turn this off and on. When you want to start recording, just tap the start button right here. This menu will hide. You can just record your screen, and after you're done, just swipe left or tap on it right here on this yellow bar, or orange bar I mean, and then tap the stop button to stop recording. As you can see, the video was saved successfully. Let's open the gallery, and here we have our video. And that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.